Good morning, everyone. On Friday, it's first week from January 2026. Everyone go back to work, but government today, last day off again, Saturday, Sunday. With my job, always same. I help about retirement visa, 90-day report, driver license, about health, home care, nursing care, and you looking home, land, condo, or do business investment, work permit, about law system here, or you want to do the will. Sometimes when you have condo, home, land, everything you own that in Thailand, you need to protect for yourself or family. And then I have a lawyer office, and then take care everything. You just call me and book appointment. It's me now, Sasi. You know, everyone know how to find me in a Google Map. Visa Estate Pattaya is me now. Okay. Well, everyone, I have to go now for work, and then enjoy the day and happy day for first week Friday working day. Everyone, don't forget to book and call me first. You know where my office is, Rompo Mokata. You know how to find me, and then you just find the Google or just call me. I will send you your location on the line or WhatsApp. Don't forget, just call me first. Well, everyone, enjoy, have a nice day. If you come to Thailand, you ask and call invite free. You want to buy land, you want to buy farm, condo, looking home, land, just call me, Sasi. I will care and take care you. Well, invite you, and then just call me, book appointment. Okay, bye. I have to go now. Bye.